We are unimaginably fortunate on the grounds that we have a ton of astonishing gourmet experts that accommodate us. However, gator is undoubtedly the legend. Additionally, I have the names of some particular cowboy food that gator might be able to prepare to feed a small army. Additionally, we will have the answers because we are cowboys. That's absolutely correct. Much thanks to you, gator. My pleasure. Oysters from the Rockies. That is the nuts of a cow. This says bull. Yeah, cow balls. Great. What about lamb fries, then? Isn't so only that they take the sheep and they take the oil of whatever while they're cooking the sheep, its fat, and afterward they put it over the French fries? No, I actually have no idea what lamb fries are. I believe they are sweetbreads. That sounds wonderful, but it's still testicles. Furthermore, it is lamb testicles. Okay, great. There seems to be a pattern here. Testicles make up most of these. Okay, excellent. But not this one. And who wrote this just for the sake of clicking? I did. Testicles got a lot of interesting names from me. Good. 45 seconds ago, I was extremely hungry. Similar to gurgle gurgle. Buddy, allow me to assist you with that. Let's discuss food. This is known as pigments. I was joking. Head cheddar. To even attempt to take a shot at that makes me almost nervous. This one, I'll give you a little clue. This one isn't balls. Is this similar to cooking a head's brain until it becomes slightly gooey? Yes, it is a meat dish typically prepared from the calf or pig's head. See? Thus, it is head matter. I have it. That is what that is what I'm talking about. Anything is cheddar. But I'm thinking, please, make it soft. But I'm saying that because I'm a cowboy. It seems like we do this all the time. Cowboys are all of us. Burgoo. How is it spelled? Burgoo. Obviously, burgoo must be ground meat stew. You are considering goo. I'll be there. Mention something connected to the hooks or the cattle. Both of these are very smart, and they are not always wrong. Before you tell us, we appreciate the positive reinforcement. We are false. They aren't always wrong. Therefore, you can make this spicy stew with whatever you have on hand. Simply put, stew of scum. What is that implying? Essentially everything that nobody else wants from the cow. Exactly. So you're correct. Exactly. Not at all. Not at all. Those things could be put there. In Virgo, those things could occur. Jumping John. John is hopping. I once knew a hopping John. Oh, some stewed rabbit? Is it a rabbit? John, hopping, something hot. It resembles a hot rabbit foot. That is an excellently precise response. It's a combination of dark, looked at peas and rice with onion and bacon or ham. That sounds delectable, doesn't it? It certainly sounds like the very first thing I really desired. It's 100% correct. It is. Okay, you already mentioned this. Brioche bread that includes the artery, the cords, the veins, and everything else in the neck. Yes, this indicates the thymus glands, which I presume to be. How many of these foods have you consumed? Did you consume this? I have. Is it okay? Yeah. I bet everything is fine. Better believe it, you cook it with margarine and bolts. It's coming from the gator, I'll eat it. Pay attention, when you don't have much money, the people who use the animal as a whole. What the hell is that, gator? What about snapping? Possibly the only one I've ever heard of. Crackling. At a bodega, where did you hear this in New York? Yes, it may have a Caribbean influence. Thus, it is hot. It resembles a small spot. It resembles the South. Nothing is mine. This one cost me nothing. It's hard. Pig skin fried seems similar to pork rind. Yes, similar to a pork rind. Yeah. Cracklings. Yeah. 80% of the time. That is what I'm talking about. We're ranch hands. Yeah. Okay, a miss and a swing. Excellent grade. We're ranch hands. These things are ours to name as we please. That's all I am saying is okay. I might still make a cow.